Boys and girls, today we will be doing revision in writing workshop. Okay, when we revise, we add more pictures, more labels, or more sentences, and we use our green pens or markers or a colored pencil or a different color pen. Remember, revision, we add more to our writing. So this week, Miss Allen's topic is all about teachers. And today, as I read my book, I will model for you how I add more to my writing. I'm going to start with my cover page. So I remember yesterday in my book, I taught about how teachers help you to read, teachers help you to write, teachers help you to do math. And I'm looking at my cover page and I realize I have my pen, I have numbers for math, but I don't have a book that tells my readers they're going to learn something about reading. So I am going to draw a book on my cover page. All right, so I have my pen for writing, my numbers for math, and my book for reading. So all about teachers, written and illustrated by me, Miss Allen. Introduction. Teachers are community helpers. In this book, I will teach you all about teachers. Remember, I'm adding more. So I want to fix my teacher's hair. She needs eyebrows. And I'm going to label, because I'm adding labels to this page, teacher. And this is the alphabet chart. The alphabet chart. And she's holding a pointer, and maybe I should label the pointer so whoever is reading my book knows that that's not her arm. She's holding a pointer. A pointer. And I did a longer label. I didn't just put pointer, I put my sight word in front to make it a longer label. Page 1. Teachers help you read. Reading is fun. So I have the teacher here. I'm going to lay the teacher. And this is the student. So I'm going to label the student. And what are they reading? They're reading book. Right? And maybe I should also add that to my writing. I should add a sentence. You can read books. Right? So I'm going to put you can read books. And remember, boys and girls, you and can are sight words. Purple and yellow sight word. Page 2. I can draw a picture, add labels, write a sentence. I'm looking at my writing, boys and girls, and I see that the teacher has something that she's holding, right? But it's writing. And our friend, the student, doesn't have a pen. Maybe I can draw him holding a pen. So I'm going to draw a pen. And he's writing something on his paper. And I'm going to label pen. This is student. And the teacher. I'm going to fix her hair, give her some waves in her hair. Teacher. Teachers help you write. Writing is fun. Oh my goodness, I wonder what he's writing. Maybe I can say, you can write snap words. I'm going to write that. You, remember, I'm using my sight words, and if you need help, make sure that you're using your sight words so you spell them correctly. You can write snap words. Page 3, or my detail, my third detail. Teachers help you do math. Math is fun. They have shapes. What can we say? You can learn shapes. Yes, let's do that because they have shapes in my picture. You can learn shapes. Because in math, we learn shapes. I'm going to add her hair. And I already have my labels. And then on my conclusion page, boys and girls, I have my students that I label, right? And maybe I should label these two boys over here, students. I have the teacher. Oh, and this says teachers care. How do I show that teachers care in my picture? I can draw a heart, right? I can draw hearts on this page because teachers care, right? Now you know all about teachers. Oh man, we did a lot today, right? So let me reread my book to make sure that I added more to every page. And how do I know I add more to every page? I'm using a different color pen. I'm not erasing because writers don't erase, right? They fix it up with a different colored pen. So all about teachers, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. Teachers are community helpers. In this book, I will teach you all about teachers. Teachers help you read. Reading is fun. You can read books. Teachers help you write. Writing is fun. You can write snap words. Teachers help you do math. Math is fun. You can learn shapes. Teachers care. Now you know all about teachers. Oh my goodness. Boys and girls, we added a whole lot to my book. And now it's your turn. I want you to go reread your All About books and add more. Challenge yourselves. You can add more details to your pictures. You can add longer labels. And you can even add more sentences to each page. So see you tomorrow and have a great day.